Hi guys, my name is Jen. I'm going to be showing you how to make a mask that you can use going outside or going to the grocery store to keep yourself safe and your family. Using common everyday materials you have around your house, shoelaces, pipe cleaners. As far as fabric goes, you can use pillowcases, bandanas, felt, and if you have a HEPA filter for your vacuum, you can use that as well. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our material. Today I'm using felt and I'm using just a bandana. So we're gonna measure out 8 inches on each side. We're making a 8 inch by 8 inch. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm gonna do 8 inches this way and 8 inches this way. I'm gonna cut off the 8 inch and we're going to just make a square, basically. I could not find my fabric scissors, so I'm using these scissors right now. You want to make sure that they line up together. Here and here. I'm not perfect at cutting, but you just want to make sure that they overlap each other. So next I'm going to take the 2 fabrics. I'm going to put the outside of the fabric on top and the underneath on the bottom. I'm going to take 2 pipe cleaners and I'm going to measure them out. This is going to be where it sits on the bridge of your nose. So I'm going to measure it out and I'm going to cut them to length. Again, I'm just using the things that I have here. Luckily I had a pair of wire cutters. And I'm going to glue them down so that they don't move. And you don't have to use a hot glue gun. You can use whatever you have. I'm just using this so that I can just keep them down so that I can sew on top. We're using the top ridge to sew down and we're gonna sew it on the bottom ridge. So, what I'm going to do now is just use some clips to clip it together so it doesn't move. And we're going to sew the top of this and we're going to sew the bottom of this. All right, so now we're going to start to sew it. So this is the side with the pipe cleaners. Okay, and then we're going to just sew the other side. I'm not the best sewer, but I'm doing what I can. I did make an extra line so that we know which side has the pipe cleaners, so which side's the top portion and which side's the bottom portion. So now we're going to do the pleats. This is so that it gives you room to expand. So I'm going to do about 3 pleats, 1, and I'm going to you can either safety pin it or you can use clips. I'm using clips because I had some extras around the house. 1, 2. Here's another one here. And if you have an iron, then you can iron it flat to make it a little bit easier to sew. Now each fabric's going to be a little different. This one is a little bulkier because of the felt. And each video is a little different. I've seen some who do more pleats and some who do less. This is just what I do. Okay. So next we're going to sew it right on the sides to keep that pleat. So I also wanted to mention I did do 2 squares. This is where the fabric for the ears or the string is going to be fastened. So I'm going to put 2 squares on each side. Just I would measure it out so that it matches, and safety clip that on. So this is where the shoelaces, or if you have elastic to go around your ears. For me, I don't have that. I have some shoelaces. So so now we're gonna sew it. All right. This is what it looks like so far. And then we're going to push these back like that. And we're going to, I like to just fold it inward and do a nice iron. So that I can do one more stitch across. And this is where it's going to attach to our fixative around our ears or around our head. All right. So I'm going to put the shoelaces right here. And I'm going to just tie it in. And there we go. So here's the final product. It's not perfect, but it will keep you safe during this pandemic. So I put this over like that. I put it to my nose, stretch it out, tighten it across my ears. There you go. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope this really helps you. Again, you can use all the different materials around your house. Get creative. This is not going to solve all the issues, but at least it will be some help for you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll hopefully see you soon in school. I miss everybody. Thank you.